Keep your family safe with the SkyBell video doorbell. SkyBell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
SkyBell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. SkyBell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live. When combined with other smart home products like locks, lights, and indoor cameras, SkyBell HD becomes the eyes to your smart home.